afternoon, sir, madam. I'm Madonna Oorkia. I'm 31 years old and I'm single. We have the five in the family and I'm the youngest. I graduated as a degree course of Bachelor of Science in Elementary Education at Cagayan Colleges, Tuguegarao. I'm a Roman Catholic. I have work experience in 4 years as domestic helper in my country. My job is cleaning the house, cook simple food, and I'm willing to learn cooking Chinese food. I go to the market, wash the dishes and clothes, mop the floor. I also prepare the school uniform for kids and help them their assignment. My hobbies are listening to music, cooking, and reading the book. I want to work abroad because I want to have a better future for my family. I can sing a song for kids. Wine, wine, sugar baby, wine, wine, sugar baby, push, pull, clap, clap, clap. Wine, wine, sugar baby, wine, wine, sugar baby, push, pull, clap, clap, clap. Sir, madam, if you choose me as one of your maids, I will do all my duties and responsibilities. I am honest, patient, caring, and hardworking. I will treat your family as my own, and I promise to finish my 2 years contract. I hope to see you soon, sir, madam. Thank you.